If you need to request a refund from Shopify for payment that has gone through, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the correct store selected if you manage multiple stores. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. Once logged in, go to the Orders section from the left-hand menu. This section contains all the transactions associated with your store, allowing you to find the specific order you need to refund. Step 3. Locate the order. Scroll through the list of orders or use the search function to find the order for which you want to issue a refund. Click on the order to view its details. Step 4. Initiate the refund. In the order details, look for the option to refund or issue refund. Click on this option, and you will be prompted to specify the amount you wish to refund. Confirm the details before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the refund. After entering the refund amount, review the information and click on the refund button to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the refund has been processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily request a refund through Shopify. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.